have a unicorn at the house, I think, but...
Sure. You have to put on some fucking Crisco to get it around me. And then once you get it around me, you have to call the fire department to fucking get it off.
You're all walking up to the car.
With the unicorn right here?
Out front. I'd hope you'd walk up like...
Morning!
Visuals are rough, man.
Yeah.
it's just, oh my God. Crisco.
Yeah, Crisco. You'd have to use Crisco.
I know I bought it for Abby, but I don't know if it's a bigger one, you know, so